Let's understand Delta Lake. Imagine a busy marketplace where transactions happen constantly, just like this. There's a busy marketplace. Without rules, chaos or confusion would break out. Delta Lake brings order to data lakes by adding ACID transactions, ensuring every read and write is consistent and reliable. It also enforces schemas and supports time travel. So data remains clean and historical versions can be revisited. This makes Delta Lake the trusted ledger of big data, turning raw storage into a governed, dependable platform for analytics. Let's meet in our next lecture.